Hey guys, quick video here. I'm gonna take my gouge and I'm gonna re-sharpen it, meaning that I am not sure if this is a 40-40 still, because it's done by hand, so it's really easy to mess it up a little bit. I'm gonna fine tune it today. I'm gonna start over with a horseshoe, meaning that I'm gonna flatten off my cutting edge and start off again making a fresh 40-40 grind on this gouge of mine. Come along. So this is what I'm starting off with, a gouge that has been ground again and again and again and again on a very, very poor setup that has no rigidity to it. I just set my grinder up again with a very, very much improved setup. Great stability compared to what is on the other side of this cheap bench grinder that I bought recently because my other one failed me. So I'm gonna start off, after I put my safety goggles on, of course, putting my, now I've set this to 40 degrees. I'm pretty darn sure, because I took my spindle roughing gouge, which is a very easy tool to grind. It's just a matter of keeping it perpendicular to the cutting edge of the grinding wheel, and just keeping it there and just rolling it over. So wherever you're putting an angle on the edge, you can measure it in the bottom of the flute or on the sides. It doesn't really matter, and it's easy to get like a precise measurement of the angle. And I've fine-tuned this one to be at 40 degrees. So I've got a secondary bevel up here that's 40 degrees. So that's what I'm gonna put to get the 40 degrees from the length of the gouge across the wings. I'm gonna put these wings down like this and just touch lightly on the wheel, and that is gonna give me 40 degrees on the wing angle. And after that, we can start putting the angle on the bevel all around the gouge. All right? All right. So I'm not sure if you can hear me here at all. And if not, I will do a voiceover. So I'm gonna just start off by putting the gouge down and touch on both of the heels. This was both of the heels, and I want to get them like even across, because I can very easily see when I put my gouge down here, it's very skewed. The bevel goes across the face, really, really skewed. So I'm gonna try and even that out. And if I only push it in towards the wheel, I'm gonna get a hollow grind on the angle of the wings, and I don't want that. So I'm just gonna lift the handle ever so slightly to get like a to get the point and the angle to be as flat as possible. There we go. And now it's just a matter of following my lines here I put the 40 degrees on my bed here, and I want the lower wing to be flat, parallel with the bed. That's how I'm going to get the 40 degrees angle on the wing on the sides as well. So I'm just going to try and do that. And when I'm grinding down the wing, all I'm doing is starting it off at the start position, which is the 40 degrees against the wheel, and with the wing flat against the bed. Starting it off there, I might lift it slightly just to get the point of the wing up there. And then roll it around, just roll it along the bed, and then just roll it into the point. And it's just a matter of removing everything without, and trying to meet the edge, the inner edge of the flute evenly, so that you're not at the edge, at the point way before you're down here, because then you're going to be rolling up, and you're going to end up with the with the nose that dives into the point there. There we go. This was the one side. It's gonna be nice. So much better to have a stable bed. This thing over here, it's so unstable, and I put a piece of wood on top of it, and it was just terrible, terrible. So I'm gonna just focus on grinding. I'll put you over here because this is an easier viewing angle at this point. There we go. So I'm just, on this side I can even put my thumb in here to just feel when the side of the wing is kind of flat, perpendicular with the bed. And then I'm just lining it up with the line on the bed here. And then I'm just following along. This is getting really, really close. Both wings are ground down. Now it's just a matter of a slight, one last uniting run of the both. I'm happy with that. Give me a slight, tiny little secondary bevel on the left wing there. Slightly bigger on the right wing. That doesn't matter. I'm just gonna cut off the heel slightly and call it done. There we go. Slightly more here on the point. This is all the primary bevel that I prefer on the bigger gouge. This is very, very sharp. Ready for work. Let's go. This is what I've ended up with. It's gonna be fun to see the difference actually on the video when I'm editing this video. It'll be fun to compare. Let's do a comparison look here side by side. And this is it. The two. The before and the after. There you go, guys. That's the 40/40 grind for you. Hope you learned something. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please press the like button down there. Subscribe to the channel and do press the bell down there. It's gonna ring every time I post a new video, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's stay connected, guys. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to see. And I'll see you next time. Get out there in the shop and do some wood turning. See you guys.